Hello students, hope you all are fine. Today we are going to start the next chapter of the geography, that is the human environment interactions, the tropical and the subtropical region. So in this chapter we are going to cover the two topics. First of all is the tropical region, and under this we will cover the life in the Amazon basin, and second one is the subtropical region, that we will study about the life in the Ganga Brahmaputra basin. So before starting the chapter, let me tell you about the tropical and the subtropical regions. So as you know that you have read previously also, but let me remind you, the area which lies between the tropic of the Cancer and the tropic of the Capricorn is known as the tropical region, and the area which just lies above the tropic of Cancer and the tropic of the Capricorn, that is known as the subtropical region. So under the tropical region we will cover the South America, okay, Amazon basin which flows nearly over the equator, and in subtropical region we will cover the Ganga Brahmaputra basin, means the area which is drained by the Ganga and the Brahmaputra. So first of all we will start with the life in the Amazon basin. So let me show you the map of the also Amazon basin. Where does it lies? So see on your book it's given very clearly that, see, here is a 0 degree equator. Okay, so the Amazon basin lies nearly the equator. Okay, so it is known as the tropical region, Amazon basin. So Amazon basin का जो सोर्स है, ठीक है, वो क्या है, यहाँ पर है एंडीज माउंटेन्स, दैट इज नोन एज द वर्ल्ड्स लॉन्गेस्ट रेंज. Okay, so that is the source of the Amazon basin. So you can see the areas also which are covered by the Amazon river, that is mostly it is covering the Brazil, okay, Peru, okay बच्चे, and also the you can say Bolivia it is covering, but mostly the Brazil is drained by the river. So let us start the chapter now. What we will life in the Amazon basin. First of all, from where does the word Amazon came? What happened when the Spanish explorers they discovered the Amazon river? Then what happened, they were attacked, उन पर हमला किया गया था. जो वहाँ पर लोकल ट्राइब थी, ठीक है, उन्होंने हेड गियर्स वियर करे हुए थे, ग्रास स्कर्ट्स थी, तो उनको क्या याद आ गया, उन लोगों को देखकर स्पेनिश एक्सप्लोरर को याद आ गया, किसकी याद आ गई, एक ट्राइब की याद आ गई, ठीक है, वीमेन ट्राइब की, जो रोमन एम्पायर को जिनको अमेज़न कहा जाता था, तो उन्होंने उस एरिया का नाम क्या रख दिया, अमेज़न. तो अमेज़न रिवर को ये अमेज़न नाम इस स्पेनिश एक्सप्लोरर्स ने दिया था. Now source I have told you, it is from the Andes mountain which is the longest range in the world. And now is the basin. Basin क्या होता है, it is a depression in the earth surface. Depression means it is a low lying area, okay, as compared to the higher, it's a low lying area, as obviously the rivers from the high area to the low area, so it is a depression in the earth surface basin. Okay, so now let me tell you about the some basic terms regarding the river which you will come across in the chapter. Now first of all, see this dark blue, it is a main river. You can suppose it is the Amazon river, and these are the small rivers which are flowing in the main river. So these all small rivers, they are known as the tributaries. Okay, so the small river which flows into the main river are known as the tributaries. Now as the river leaves the land area, it flows into the another water body, that may be the sea or the ocean. So this is known as the river's mouth. Understood? I hope it's clear to you. So let us now see about the definition of it. What is a river's mouth? the place where a river flows into another body of the water. Another body कौन सी हो सकती है? sea या ocean. Now what are the tributaries? Small rivers that join the main river. Amazon has a number of tributaries. Okay, so now next your topic is the climate. So as I have told you, it lies nearly on the equator. So वहाँ पर climate कैसी होगी? hot and wet, because on the on the equator there is a hot and wet climate, as the sun rays are directly falling on the equator, so there will be the high temperature also. So if temperature is high, then pressure will be low, so it also gives rise to the high rainfall. Okay, so days and nights are equally hot and humid because it lies in the tropical region, or you can say in the equatorial region. Now rainforest कैसी होगी? As you have read in the previous chapter also, that on the near the equator there are the tropical evergreen forests, which are also known as the rainforest. Okay, so it is the thick forest. There is a thick forest due to the heavy rainfall. So there is a high temperature also and heavy rainfall also, which is a very good for the growth of the thick forest. Okay, so leaves and branches does not allow the sunlight to reach the ground. जो मीन्स लीव्स हैं, ब्रांचेस हैं ट्रीज़ की, वो इतनी ज़्यादा डेंस हैं कि जो सनलाइट है वो पास नहीं कर सकती है उनके बीच में से. ठीक है, सो वहाँ पर डार्क है. सो इट्स अ वेरी थिक फॉरेस्ट. इट इज़ ऑल्सो नोन एज द लंग्स ऑफ द अर्थ. ओके, so plant parasites means those which eats the small insect, that are known as the parasites, that are the orchids and bromeliads. These types of plants are found. So birds कौन कौन से हैं वहाँ पे जो हमें फाइंड आउट होते हैं अमेजोन बेसिन में? toucans, हमिंग बर्ड्स, birds of paradise and oversized bills. Okay, so this you have to remember. Animals, monkey, sloth, tapirs. Tapirs, they are the ant eating animals. Okay, reptiles, as Amazon river is there, so we will find the reptiles also which are dangerous. Crocodiles, snakes are there, pythons, anaconda means mostly venomous or poisonous type of reptiles we are able to find in the Amazon basin. Anaconda you must have, it's the largest snake in the world. Okay, nearly 40 feet its length is there. So next one is a piranha fish. It is a, you can say, flesh eating fish. Okay, जो इसके दांत होते हैं इट्स लाइक दिस. So it's a flesh eating fish. It's a dangerous fish. It also attacks on the human sometime. Okay, so now next your topic is peoples of the rainforest. कैसे लोग रहते हैं वहाँ पे. So पहले हम मैन की बात करते हैं. वो क्या करते हैं? They hunt and fish along the rivers. As you know, Amazon river is flowing there. तो वो hunting भी करते हैं. Number various types of, you can say, animals, birds are found over there, means variety of wildlife is there. So they hunt and fish along the rivers. तो women's क्या करती हैं? They take care of the crops. So crops कौन कौन सी होंगी? tapioca, pineapple, sweet potato. Okay, so these are the crops which are grown by the people living in the Amazon basin. Cash crops. Cash का मीनिंग क्या होता है? पैसा. मीन्स जो फसल हम बेचकर पैसा हमें पैसा दिलाती है वो होगी कैश क्रॉप्स. नाउअडेज विच इज़ गोइंग ऑन? राइस. ओके, सो दैट इज ऑल्सो द कैश क्रॉप. सो उनकी कैश क्रॉप कौन सी है? कॉफ़ी, मेज एंड कोकोआ. दीज आर देयर कैश क्रॉप. नेक्स्ट वन इज द स्टेपल फूड. स्टेपल फूड का मीनिंग क्या होता है? मीन्स जो वो फूड जो वो हर रोज़ खाते हैं, दैट इज़ नोन एज द स्टेपल फूड. लाइक वी ऑलवेज कंज्यूम द, यू कैन से, ओके, वीट, द चपातीस, वेजिटेबल लेटर और स्टेपल फूड, तो उनका क्या है, मैनियोक या कसावा, इसे अंडरस्टैंड दैट इज देयर स्टेपल फूड। मालोका क्या है, वन टर्म इज देयर इन योर बुक दैट इज मालोका, मीन्स दे आर द लार्ज अपार्टमेंट लाइक हाउसेज विद द स्टीपली स्लांटिंग रूफ, कैसी रूफ होगी, ऐसी उनकी। ओके, these are their large apartments like houses with a steeply slanting roof, that is known as the maloka. So what kind of agriculture they are doing, as they are not developed due to the thick forest over there, so tribes are living, so what kind of agriculture will be there, slash and burn agriculture. Another name is a shifting cultivation. Okay, so different names are there in the different countries. In the Brazil it's known as the roca, as it's a major part is covered by the Amazon basin is Brazil, so it's known as the roca in the Brazil. Slash and burn agriculture, mainly it is known as the shifting cultivation. So उसमें क्या होता है, it's important, a piece of land is cleared by cutting down trees and bushes. ओके, मीन्स जो फॉरेस्टेड एरिया है उसका कुछ पीस ऑफ लैंड वो क्लियर कर देते हैं। कैसे क्लियर करते हैं, ट्रीज़ को कट कर देते हैं, जो बुशेस होती हैं उन्हें कट कर देते हैं, उसके बाद ट्रीज़ एंड बुशेस को बर्न किया जाता है, आग लगा दी जाती है उन्हें, ठीक है ना। फिर वहाँ पर जो यू कैन से लैंड क्लियर हो जाता है, वहाँ पर क्रॉप्स ग्रो करते हैं फॉर फ्यू ईयर्स। वाई फॉर फ्यू ईयर्स, बिकॉज जो फर्टिलिटी है वो फ्यू ईयर्स की ही होती है, बिकॉज दे आर नॉट यू कैन से एडिंग एनी फर्टिलाइजर और केमिकल पेस्टिसाइड्स इन द सॉइल। सो जब उसकी फर्टिलिटी ख़त्म हो गई तो वो सेम प्रोसेस रिपीट करेंगे, मीन्स दे विल क्लियर द अनदर पीस ऑफ लैंड एंड रिपीट द सेम प्रोसेस। ओके, सो लाइक दिस वे द क्रॉप्स आर ग्रोन इन द क्लियर्ड फील्ड, दिस इज नोन एज द स्लैश एंड बर्न agriculture because the trees are burnt. Okay, so now what happened, how the life of people is changing as the time is going on, there is advancement in technology. So pehle forest, as they are thick forest, we can reach only by navigating the river, means through the rivers only. But in 1970 trans amazon highway has been made, which इसके वजह से जो हम we are reachable in the many parts of the forest in this basin. Okay, now we are able to reach through aircrafts and the helicopters also. So these all are the you can say means of transport and communication for the in the Amazon basin. Now as the advancement in technology is there, what effects are there, destruction of diverse rainforest, as these are known as the lungs of the earth, तो उसकी destruction हो रही है। as you have heard the news also, this forest was under the fire also for many days. Okay, so इसकी if there will be destruction of the forest, what will happen, first of all due to forest fire pollution will be there, ठीक है। तो एनुअली भी जो रेन फॉरेस्ट है वो डिसअपियर हो रही है, तो इसकी वजह से क्या होगा, डिफॉरेस्टेशन की वजह से जो टॉप सॉइल होगी वो वॉश अवे होगी। ओके, सो जो फॉरेस्ट इतनी लश ग्रीन फॉरेस्ट हैं वो बैरन लैंडस्केप में टर्न हो जाएंगी, मीन्स जो फॉरेस्ट है दे विल टर्न इनटू द बैरन लैंड, जो ऐसा लैंड बन जाएगा जहाँ पर कुछ भी हम उगा नहीं सकते, ठीक है, खाली प्लेस हो जाएगी। क्लियर फॉरेस्ट विल बी देयर, इट विल लेड टू द डिफॉरेस्टेशन। वाई इट इज़ देयर, ड्यू टू द so many activities, construction activities are there, you can say, as trees are good thick. Okay, so they're also known used for building the houses, furniture, that's why these forests are destructed by the people. Okay, so this is all about your chapter. If any problem is there you can ask me. Thank you so much.